Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video, I'm going to be making the origami box. I'll be talking this time for those who prefer audio or who prefer me to talk. If you do like it better, please comment down below and drop a like. So we're going to start out by pulling out a normal letter paper and then fold it into a triangle. The reason why I fold it into a triangle is because most origamis are a square shaped paper, and in order to do that you fold it into a triangle so we can cut off the excess. So a great tip, if you don't want to do it this way, you can do it from the back, because sometimes this is mostly just guessing. You can go from here and then fold it this way to make sure it lines up with the paper, with this line. I will get better paper next time, more cleaner paper, but paper is paper. As long as it shares the information, that's all that matters. So for this, we're not supposed to fold all the way fully, but it doesn't matter at the moment. What matters is that you pinch the points. So the big points you gotta pinch are these 4 points. So you fold it in half. Don't fold it fully in half, but have it prospectively shown as folded in half, and then pinch the corners. Make a minus sign, as you can see here, and then do the same to the other side. And seriously, if you guys do like that I'm talking as I'm doing origami, please comment down below so I can continue to do it. If I get no comments, I'll just go back doing the normal no talking thing. Continuing on, we're gonna create a box with these 4 lines that we created. So in order to do that, as you can see, all we have to do is fold it into a triangle. But to help you with all of that, this is a tip that we can do. We can turn it around and fold it this way, and then make sure it's lined up with this one, like that. But or we can do it actually this way, and then fold down until we meet this line right here, and then fold down this way. Make sure your paper is in the middle because you don't want to mess that up. And then check the sides. As you can see, it's not fully folded here and here, so I'm just gonna refix it. It is very hard to see the lines, so I'm just gonna look more deeply. Okay, and do the same for each side. So this side should be easier to follow after you do the first one. This will act, I believe this will act as the base for our model based on the instructions that I posted earlier. And let me know in the comments down below also, was it difficult? Did you try to make it yourself before watching this video, or did you just wait for the video? Either way, I just want to know. And so the next step is to fold this down this way, and then go on by folding this that way. All the way up. Make sure this is lined up. Use this as a liner as a guide to make sure it's lined up in the middle, and then fold down. And then do the same for all sides. Right now I'm looking at the instruction as I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm doing this real time. So far it looks correct. Actually, I take that back. You're supposed to do this side, and then, so you're supposed to do this side, and then you're supposed to do this side. So yeah, just the opposite sides. You do all sides. Yeah, so you're not supposed to have one in the middle, but it's fine. Continue doing what I was doing on all sides. Okay, after you've done it for all sides, you should get something more clear. Right now, remember when we folded this, it created a line. So don't worry about this, but it's supposed to be like clear as like this one is, you see here, with no line in the middle. But it doesn't matter. What matters is what we do next. So what's important is that this line that we folded, remember this line we folded. So what we're gonna do is bring this triangle in so that we can create this. So hold up, I'm gonna look into instructions to make sure I'm doing it correctly. But yeah, so you would bring this triangle in and fold it in this way, and then do the same for this one. So bring the triangle in, create a triangle, and then fold it in that way. Do it for this one also, the fold that you did. Just create an invert triangle. Some might be harder because of crease, but as long as you have this built up like that, just pull it up. And then you do it this last one. So yeah, after you do that, you should have something like this, where you have like a box figure. And what you're gonna do next is, after you fold it once this way, we're gonna focus on folding this. Let me follow. Folding this way. So it's gonna look like this. You're gonna fold it this way. As you can see what I'm doing. Fold it this, let's zoom in. So you're gonna fold it this way, as you can see right here. And then you're gonna fold this down this way. And when you do that, it's gonna look like a flap. So let me do it. It's gonna look like this. And then you do it for this side. So make sure you just fold it. Create a box figure. And then fold it all the way to this line right here. That's what's important. Do it for this one. So this line, put it all the way here. So all the way to this line right here. And then do it for this side. Okay, now that we did that, when we fold it down, or when we create that box again, so let's try to create the box. I think it's this way. So it's supposed to create something like this. So you see how we have this open like that? Let's have this. So then zoom out, I mean, and then fold it down this way. Do this side. Fold it out that way. So keep in mind, this flap, the tip is this flap is going in, and then this flap also is folding this way. That's how you know which flap you should focus on having on each side. And there you have it. You have an open box now. The box is open. And in order to close it, you can do, let's fold this all the way, let's fold this flaps wall so that it can act as flaps. But it's basically a gift box now. This is the open version of the gift box. And in order to close it, we just pull it back in. And then put this inside one of it, like that. And then we can like create something. You know how like you fold a box in general and then you just put stuff right here? Yeah. And you created a box like that. So let me do it again so you don't, if you're confused. So what I did was I just folded one flap, just any flap, down. And then I went with the second one down. I was like, okay, I'm gonna put the third one down and then use the fourth one to close it. And it made a box. So yeah, it's an open and close gift box. You can use it. And I just hope you do enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and share. And always know that God loves you. I too, unconditionally. So yeah, have fun and stay tuned for more origami. If you prefer me talking, don't forget to comment down below and tell me. So yeah, have fun and have a blessed day.